Ako gusto ko medyo mistisa. Maputi.
Even if I have to fetch you every day, you get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make this world go round. And don't let it bring you.
Your take on marriage?
My take on marriage, you know, I usually never imagine myself getting married because you know, parang sa akin kasi parang it's between you and your partner. Parang hindi nyo naman hindi kailangan ng papel o ng singsing. Yun yung belief ko dati. Pero parang ngayon, parang medyo tumatanda ako, parang naiisip ko rin na parang, oo nga, no, parang siguro ikakasal ako pag gusto ng babae. Yun lang. Yun lang. Siguro it's just for to make it legal or for legalities. And I see myself getting married siguro tapusin ko muna yung mga pelikula ko. Not anytime soon. Well, you know, it takes time to look for a partner, to wait for someone na darating na magiging okay ka. And it takes time to build a relationship with someone, and it takes time to finally decide or if you're getting married or not.
In marriage?
50-50.
Sige.
50-50 dahil sabihin ko sana hindi, pero may pelikula tayong title.
Hindi, why don't you believe in marriage? I want to know.
Mahaba.
Sige na, okay lang. Sige na, let's talk about it. Umiinom tayo ng kape. Yay! Parang kailangan ng kape. Yay!
I believe in marriage.
You do? Why?
Because if you find the person you love and you're willing to sacrifice and to commit to them for your whole life, then might as well marry them and show them how much you love them. And I think that's the best gift you could give someone you love.
Why can't you commit without marriage?
You could, but I'm saying if you wanna for us who
alam mo
are here
kasi sobrang kilala ko siya, pang-yukon yung sinasabi.
We're living in a very spiritual country na parang, di ba, we've got Catholics, Christian country, we've got Muslims na. So, kung pareho sila, they marry the people they love.
What are you that marrying type of Paolo, and what's your take on marriage and commitment?
You know, it's really hard to say because sometimes minsan talaga alam mo na yun yung taong gusto mong pakasalan, but sometimes it turns out sa mga hindi inaasam pangyayari at mga ganap hindi nangyayari. But you know, I'm always open for marriage if I find the right person or if the right time comes, or baka nasa tabi mo lang. But commitment is something else, you know. That's why it's called commitment, because you're committing to something special and something you would give a part of you to. So parang commitment is something else. If you commit to something, you should decide.
Kung ipapromote mo si Secretary Kim, anong job title o posisyon ang ibigay mo sa kanya?
Kung hindi ko alam kung promotion yung tawag doon, pero housewife.
Ay! Grabe naman! Housewife!
Nag-test na ka na ba?
Napakaganda.
Nag-test na ka na para mag...
Nag-test na ako. Marunong na ako magluto, mamalansya, maglaba. Alagaan kita.
Wow!